Welcome to our channel. Today we will guide you through the process of activating Skillshare teacher payments, allowing you to share your knowledge and get paid for it. Let's dive in step by step. Step 1. Sign up for Skillshare. 1. Visit the Skillshare website. 2. Click on Join in the top right corner. 3. Fill in your details to create a new account or use your Google or Facebook account to sign up quickly. Step 2. Set up your profile. 1. Once signed in, go to your profile settings. 2. Add a profile picture and a short bio detailing your expertise and what you plan to teach. 3. Make sure your profile is complete, as this will help attract potential students. Step 3. Create a class. 1. Navigate to the Teach tab on the Skillshare dashboard. 2. Click on Create a Class and follow the prompts to start building your course. 3. Outline your class objectives, topics, and any necessary materials or resources. Step 4. Record your class. 1. Use a good quality camera and microphone for the best audio-visual experience. 2. Break down your content into manageable sections for easy understanding. 3. Edit your videos to enhance clarity and engagement. Step 5. Publish your class. 1. Once your videos are ready, go back to the class creation page. 2. Upload your videos and add supplementary materials such as PDFs or worksheets. 3. Fill in all required fields, including class title, description, and any tags related to your class content. Step 6. Activate payments. 1. After publishing your class, go to your account settings. 2. Find the Payments section and enter your payment information. 3. Make sure you select your preferred payout method, PayPal or bank transfer. Step 7. Promote your class. 1. Share your class on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. 2. Engage with potential students by answering questions or participating in Skillshare community discussions. 3. Encourage your followers to check out your class and provide feedback on your teaching materials. Step 8. Track your earnings. 1. Regularly monitor your earnings through the Earnings section of your dashboard. 2. Review feedback and engagement on your classes to improve future content. 3. Continue to create new classes to increase your potential income. Thank you for following our guide on activating Skillshare teacher payments. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy teaching!